So last session, I remember this was the form which we basically created to store the information of the subscribers into our data extension. You people are trying to implement the solution also. Once this is done, so you will be able. I have showed you what you were supposed to do if you use this AMPscript code into your page, right? You'll be able to basically be able to store the data extension into the master D. And this was the page that we developed. Now we would create an HTML HTML email, and we started sending emails. Right, we send email to the subscribers. Subscribers might feel that I don't need all these emails. I don't want to listen to all these communications. I don't want to read about this communication. Generally, I feel going by the ROI, it will be around 1% or maximum to 3%. That is also big, but 1 to 3% in an average, I'll say, people might unsubscribe. If you have a big, huge database, when you click, okay, when they click on the link on the CTA button of the email, now you have to honor the request, right? They are trying to unsubscribe, so you have to honor the request. So published in the article yesterday or day before, how to unsubscribe, I think here. So here also I have given the AMPscript code how you basically need to unsubscribe. So first, here and there today, I'll try to go slow so you people understand what I'm saying. If you use this code snippet in your cloud page and say somebody clicks on unsubscribe and redirects to this cloud page, and inside the cloud page you have this AMPscript. We create some kind of HTML email. You will have head, okay, and you'll have the body. Now inside the body, I'll consider three parts here. Normally, when you start doing emails, I think, okay, in the first it will be the header, and here you will have some in the header itself. Maybe I'll say that's an image banner. Don't go with the tags. Its tag will not be written, but I'm just giving you the area. Okay, there will be header and footer, then maybe some content here saying that. So if I say just say so Bablu, so I can, okay, let me even personalize this in this case. Oh, this is a new keyboard. So let's say first name, okay. Then you may type here saying welcome, something blah blah blah. Then inside of footer, you might have different links. I'm just simply going with the unsubscribe link. So here in the href, let's say this will, there are other other links as well, but I'm just simply focusing on unsubscribe. And in your href, let's say this is a cloud page URL. You have this AMPscript function, and then the first thing is your cloud page ID that you have to pass. Query parameter in key value pair you have to pass. So if I'm to pass subscriber key, so I say this is a subscriber key. I use personalization. So this is how you'll have this. Let's see if I can save and then how it looks like. I don't know, but it will be junky. So yeah, right. So anyway, this will be given proper way to demand. Now, if I click here, this is a hyperlink. I don't have that link, this cloud page URL. It will basically redirect you. So if you click on this link, what is going to happen is when I'm using this AMPscript for here, okay, in the particular cloud page, this request parameter will extract the subscriber key. Yeah, I'm passing subscriber key. Yeah, subscriber key is the key, right? So it is going to look for that key. This is on. Oh yeah, sorry. I have to save this. Then I'll have a better idea of what I'm doing. So yeah, the subscriber key, it will extract and populate here. It will assign this to this particular variable. We'll go step by step, but before going this is, see what we are doing is we created a, yeah, if somebody clicks here, it will unsubscribe. Okay, we are using log on sub event, and we are defining the attributes for which it will go and check the all subscribers, basically unsubscribe the user. But when we are doing preference center, we are not only focusing on simply unsubscribing the user. We'll basically try to handle the unsubscription in a more dynamic way. So yesterday I created this one, and this will look like, let's say somebody clicks on the email, unsubscribe, right? So this will look like this. They will get a pop-up. This is a landing page, okay? And they will see like preference center, and they say, who do you want to unsubscribe or who do you want to update the profile? So if somebody clicks here, then what I will do is, if somebody clicks on unsubscribe, if I hear, right? Well, see, this is a simply a HTML in my desktop. I haven't embedded into a cloud page. So if I click here, what it will do is, it will land to this particular unsubscribe page. Okay, this page, and here it will basically, what it will do is it will unsubscribe it, and it will display a message saying that thank you, we are sorry to hear from you that you don't want any so message, any generic message that can be shown. And they say, but if somebody clicks on update profile, okay, I will basically redirect the person to this particular page where the person might say, I don't want email, but I can have SMS. So, somehow you're mitigating the unsubscription. If you click there, then okay, no email will be rendered to that particular person. Just handling only here. Now here, in the next session, I'll try to build some HTML. Here, it will not only have email consent, but if I take an example of doctor, then it will be oncology, diabetology, different logic. I'll have different check boxes here. And they can say, okay, or I say, even in a generic manner, I can say newsletter, or I say monthly newsletter, weekly newsletter. They can say, I don't want weekly newsletter, but uh, I want monthly newsletter, right? First, initially, let's say this kind of a view he gets. Then say, oh, no, I don't want email one, but I'm okay with WhatsApp and SMS. So still you are making those people engage, okay, in marketing cloud. If I just give this pop-up, the person still has an option whether to unsubscribe or to update the profile. Now going back, if he clicks on unsubscribe, they have to basically redirect. Now how I design this one is unsubscribe HTML. I simply copy pasted from somewhere. I think this one is from Model Government HTML. Okay, from this W3 school is one of the best thing I always try. So I just click here, and they have the full code here. What you need to do. Okay, you can try it yourself also, and if you click also, they will see. See, I've copied the same. So they have a modal header, some text, and only one button, right? Now, for me, I have two buttons. So for that, what I simply did was, instead of one button, okay, here, I created two buttons. So this is how here, I'm going here and there. So this is how it will look like. So header, I modified to preference center. And yeah, I gave some generic text and two buttons. Then I can definitely I can add here two forms. So from this button, I'll make it submit. This one will be submit. Okay, this one also will be submit. With this submit, I'll even have two forms. Okay, so form. So inside this form, I'll have a button, and I've told you in the previous, when we are creating a form, right? How we need to, where we need to redirect in this form, I have explained here. Here we also had one form, this form. So we have this action and method. So if I simply copy this email HTML unsubscribe, right? So in this form, if I simply do this, so you know where you need to redirect. You have the URL and it is a post. So this will be not a consent collection. It will be let's say unsubscribe page. So here you can redirect to this unsubscribe page. Okay. So similar form, I can do simply, let's see. So this update profile, I create another form here. So this will be the consent collection. So the same URL will be here. Now, definitely you have to add the subscriber key. Either you can append here with the subscriber key when you do the request, parameter request, this one. Now, this session 5. So this one, request parameter, and assign to a variable, and basically you can hide it here or you can have it here inside this label field, which is hidden field. And otherwise you can have a query parameter saying is or something subscribe, then you pass the value here. Okay, so this can also be done, but very much easier way to do it is I'll simply create a input label field with a hidden, then here in the value I'll have this percentage and this one. So this will be hidden. Okay. So input, go close. I have to close the input tag. Here you go. Okay. So this is how you're going to land to that particular place. So same you can do here also. I can simply copy this. So if you're confused with the hidden, this one, okay, so input hidden, you can simply do the Google search also, you'll get it. So this is how they will say, see, type equals to hidden. So here, this is how you have to add it. So this is the actually the original MSDN site for developer for HTML. Or if you get an example, this is way what I'll do it. So instead of value, I added the AMPscript variable. On subscribe, it will land here, and this AMPscript will be called. Now let's go with the AMPscript. Okay, what is going to happen?